Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to give someone a role on Discord server. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Go to the server where you have permission to give roles to the members. Once you are on that server, go to server settings by clicking this drop-down button and select server settings. Here, you need to go to the members page. Scroll down and click members. In this page, you can click this plus sign and you can choose on what role you want to assign that specific member. For example, I want this member to have a role writer. Just click on that role and you will see that the role has been added to that member. You can also click this three dots icon, go to roles, and here give their specific role. Also, you can assign multiple roles in a single member just by clicking multiple boxes. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to give someone a role on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.